Convert a list with strings all to lowercase or uppercase. I have a Python list variable that contains strings. Is there a function that can convert all the strings in one pass to lowercase and vice versa, uppercase?
It can be done with list comprehensions or with the map function.
List comprehension is how I do it. It's the Pythonic way. The following transcript shows how to convert a list to all uppercase then back to lower.
Besides being easier to read, for many people, list comprehensions win the speed race, too.
You want to sort it out, click the select and suspend.